Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Minecraft on Mac. Alright, let's begin. First, open a web browser on your Mac. In the search bar, type Minecraft and make sure to go to the official website, which is minecraft.net. Once you're on the site, go to the Games section at the top and select Minecraft. Minecraft is a paid game, so you'll need to purchase it if you haven't already. Click Buy Now and choose either the Standard or Deluxe edition. After purchasing, create or sign in with your Microsoft account. Once signed in, go to your account profile and select Download Launcher. Make sure to download the Mac OS version. When the download completes, open the file and drag Minecraft into the Applications folder. After that, open Launchpad on your Mac and locate Minecraft. You can also search for it using the search bar at the top of Launchpad. Click Minecraft and if prompted, select Open since we downloaded it from the official site. The Minecraft launcher will now open. Sign in with the Microsoft account you used to purchase the game. So that's basically how you can get Minecraft on Mac. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.